Welcome to day 23. Gather your materials and follow along to create this easy Christmas wreath. You need an embroidery hoop, buffalo plaid fabric, white iron-on, a cutting machine, a Merry and Bright cut file that you can find online, and an iron. You can also use winter branches, red ribbon, or leftover fabric, and your glue gun. Cut out the image and remove the excess material. Now iron on the design to the fabric. Press the image onto the center of the fabric. Slowly peel the transfer backing away from the vinyl, flip the fabric over, and press the iron again to make sure it is fully adhered. Place the fabric in the embroidery hoop, pull tight, and trim the excess material. Use your glue gun to secure the edges. Make a loop for displaying the wreath and glue it on the back. You can add branches and a bow to the front and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.